Then we've got Apostle Joe Daniels, a young, vibrant, charismatic man of God. Vari kupisa. And one of the reasons why vari kupisa is about my controversial teaching avari kubudisa. And want to abudisa story strategic. Mona ngoyana Pastor Chris manje. Pastors were really not content creators. Because Pastor Chris akunangotaura something muchechi vachiparidza. And zvotongopera zvakadaro vanhu ndimi matozotsvaga masemoni mokata. Izvezvi mufundisi achibva kupedza muparidza abva toenda kumedia team unoti mavanzwa mandataura about ningi pepe pakate. Post. So he posted a video about masturbation and said masturbation is not a sin and what and the only sin is what you lust about. And he posted it in the same style yakaita that other teaching yakambonetsa vema spiritual husband chichichi. Mimi, what's your view on my issues in masturbation?
Number one, Jack Daniels is a motivational. And Jack Daniels and Joe Daniels, isn't it? Yeah.
You honestly mistake it, go back.
He's a motivational speaker. Number one, I will give him that. Number two, he's a very good businessman. A business advocate. Ndinotofunga kuti dei aiwandira ushumire wake on the business side. Church yake ka, it was going to grow big and he is one guy who can create millionaires because business anorinzwisisa. I think he had a millionaire because the guy is man. But anything that has to do with spirituality, he is a toddler. He understands nothing. Dei kuchinzi kune kamwe kamutemo kana kamwe kakodi kanogona kunyorwa kekuti kune vanhu vasingabvumidzwe kutaura zvine chekuita nemweya. Joe Daniels maponga vanhu vakaita seva vafani kunzwika kutaura izvozvo because now look haufi watora mavhu iwewe woisa mumuromo woimagina kuti mavhu aya eshuga obva wanakirwa. You understand? Masturbation anditika it's a sexual act. So number one, chanofana nsanje kuti sexual activity it's a spiritual act. That's why kuchicreateka chinhu chinonzi ma-soul tie. That's why kuchiitika ma-spiritual transfers. Unzisa. That's why kune anonzi ma-spiritual transmitted, sexual transmitted demons which come through sex. Saka moment yaanongotaura zvesex zvatoo spiritual. Number one is disqualified to talk about anything spiritual. Number two, ukanzwa mutauriro wai akati iye masturbation is not a sin. But kuzoeda isusu vana Joe Daniels makuti imagina muchimasturbate, that's now lust, then that's a sin, which shows you kuti iye pachake as Joe Daniels is a confused person when it comes to spirituality. Because how do you say kuti masturbation, so the act it's not a sin, but the imagination that makes the act to be entertaining is then a sin. Uda kuzama kuti toda kubika sadza but sadza racho nichabvisa upfu. How does that make sense?
But answer passion.
Usarwanikata. Nyaya yakatotaura futi yaya atitombomupi credit because he copied it. Nyaya yakataurwa naPastor Chris kudhara. You understand? So he is now Joe Daniel the copycat.
But revelation ka kuna nyowani ka revelation tunonge utorero na Kennedy again. Takaenda.
That's not revelation. That's just a statement of people who want to enjoy abusing themselves.
So Pastor Chris was he correct?
Pastor Chris whether vanhu 1 million anditi kava vakatendeutsa, we give him credit for that. But where he is wrong, he is wrong. You understand? And inini sakomanda ndakazvitaura kubva zvakazvitaura kuti I don't subscribe to theory anditika yekuti iyo masturbation it's not a sin. Do you understand with masturbation it's a serious thing that can cause serious addiction to pornography? Because you cannot masturbate without being associated with pornography. Saka ngavabude Pastor Chris vati ivo, there is nothing wrong with Pornhub. There is nothing wrong with pornography. There is nothing wrong with my Playboy. Moment yavanodaro, you can also say there is nothing wrong with masturbation. The next thing it turns out there is nothing wrong with adultery and fornication. You understand? Masturbation, it's a sin, and not just a sin, it's a sin to yourself. Kune chivi chaunozviitira iwewe chinokanganisa iwewe as an
ko
individual.
kana uchiri jaya usati waroora mabhebha acho haasi kubatika. Unoziva miro hausi right.
And you know that we are sinners. But do we promote sin?
No.
We don't promote sin. They say we can sin, but we don't promote sin. Saka ukamira pa public platform, uri a public figure, wova wati iwewe, masturbation is not a sin. Number one, uri kutotiudza kuti iwewe uno masturbate. And uri kutopromota sin iyoyo kuvanhu. I think that's
married people don't masturbate.
Are you sure?
This married guy, but then you check out what would be the reason.
Chete kuti mazuva ano vanhu vaangooneka tsika kuda kusuwana but ndinotori nedzimwe type dzavanhu dzandotoona kuti uyu munhu brain dzake masturbation iri mukanganisa.